So, as you can hear behind me, or in front of me, there is a flood going on in Mare, Arizona, in all of Mare and Spring Valley. It's flooded out and people have been evacuated. So, here is the stream. Took out this yard right here and went into that little house right there. There.
How many feet of water came up over here, you figure?
Well, look where the water is right now.
And the water, there's all those like logs and debris. Water came over the top of the railing on the bridge, like it was floating on top. So this is the second year in a row Mare has gotten flooded out. And yeah, this is scary. We don't live close to it, so. Here, I'll try and get a better shot. No, that's not a better shot. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it right there. You can't show that sign. It's right there. Huh? I'm just not allowed to go past those signs on the bridge. He already said that. I'm not allowed on the bridge, which is fine because I don't want to go on it. All of these logs here, I'll unzoom. There's that log. There's those logs down there on the bridge. And there's, here, I'll show you. That stream is pretty bad. Over there's a little watering trough right there from the corral. Sorry, there's a lot of debris, so it's kind of hard.
So we went into those houses and they called me on the radio and they said, if you don't get out of there in 20 minutes, you're going to go to Phoenix to get out of there.
Oh.
We came up that road and the fire was right there.
Oh yeah, I have one of my clients.
So we're gonna start a, okay, go on the truck. We're gonna start a GoFundMe page and all of the money will be donated to my school so that the families who got affected by this can at least have some money. So even $1 counts. We're gonna set up a GoFundMe. Yeah, they're crossing everything off down there. I'm sorry, my face is zoomed way in. So yeah, we're gonna set up a GoFundMe. I've already said that. It's just my face is covered, so yeah. But there's these people out here right now, construction guy, and they're crossing the bridge off now. So this is so scary. And now it's gonna start storming again. So there's that. It's like flowing over a chocolate milk. It went over that, like here, that brick wall right there. I'm filming now. Came up and over that. And now that little yard got flooded out. But we're gonna come out here and we're gonna step over here. I'm trying not to get these people's private information, like their address. But I'm gonna come down here, see if we can get the damage. Those are all wet sandbags right there because the flood came up in her yard. That wall right there, the water came up and over, and in her yard, like right there, in that circle right there, you can tell that she got flooded. This woman's house got flooded. But yeah, we are gonna set up a GoFundMe. $1 counts. We are just trying to give these people money. So thanks.